In a shocking revelation, the captains and players of Jamaica's national women's football team has accused the Jamaican Football Federation, JFF, of unprofessionalism and mismanagement. The Reggae girls took to social media platforms to express their discontent, highlighting issues with transportation, accommodation, communication, and compensation provided by the JFF. This isn't the first time the team has clashed with the Football Authority, and these problems have surfaced just as they prepare for the upcoming World Cup. With practice games on the agenda, the team should be fully focused on representing Jamaica. Instead, Shaw voiced her frustration at the JFF's handling of crucial matters. The girls claimed that the JFF's performance in areas such as transportation, accommodation, communication, and compensation has been nothing short of shambolic. She also shed light on poor nutrition and training conditions, urging the JFF to address these issues promptly. To Shaw, the Federation's failure to rectify these problems only highlights their incompetence. JFF President Michael Ricketts had previously assured journalists that discussions with the team went smoothly, and that promises were made to address their concerns. Ricketts attributed financial support from FIFA and other sponsors as the means to pay the players. However, Shaw refuted the notion that money is the root cause of their issues. She stressed that the JFF's disorganization has resulted in missed friendly matches, severely impacting their preparation for the World Cup, which is set to kick off in just a month's time in Australia and New Zealand. Despite Shaw's claims, JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung and President Ricketts have yet to respond to the latest accusations. As the controversy unfolds, the national women's team's preparation for the World Cup hangs in the balance, jeopardizing their chances of success on the international stage. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment.
Don't forget to visit us at allsportsjamaica.com and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.